How to clone a hard drive to SSD Windows 10. Purchase and install new SSD for transfer. Update Windows before cloning your hard drive. Backup your current hard drive. Download and install Macrium Reflect free. Download link in video description. Close all windows on your computer. Connect the SSD you want to clone to. Open Macrium Reflect free. Select the drive you want to clone. Click Clone this disk. Click Select a disk to clone to. Click Copy Partitions. Click Next. Click Finish. Macrium Reflect's final page will summarize the cloning you are about to undertake. Thanks for watching.